Hi everyone, I'm Katrina Legado from Taguig City.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny Kimagasid from Parañaque City.
And hello everyone, I am MJ Fernandez from Calibo, Aklan.
Telling you are one of the maingays here. What's the preparation right now?
Right now, I'm just enjoying the moment. It's my first time, actually second time seeing the girls. I'm very excited for this journey. Officially, Miss Universe Philippines 2025 Puksaan will officially begin today.
Yeah, veteran in pageant world, you know that. So how does it feel that you'll be competing? Parang this is parang the highlight of your career, isn't it?
I know, it's my second time trying for Miss Universe Philippines 2025. So hopefully this time I'll get the crown. And again, sinabi nyo nga po, maraming veteran, maraming comeback queens, and I'm very excited to be in this journey alongside with these beautiful ladies. And of course, yung mga newbies natin, mga fresh faces, and I'm sure may enjoy nyo tong journey na to.
Yeah, talking about new faces, Parañaque, how does it feel naman for you competing with veterans out there? Medyo yan eh. We have a lot of big names there in the pageant world. So how's the pressure and how are you be competing with them?
So actually, I'm really starstruck competing with the veterans, pageant queens, but I'm also honored to be friend with them and create a sisterhood in this upcoming Miss Universe Philippines. And just like the girls beside me, I am just enjoying this pageant po.
This is my fifth pageant, but this is my first time in national pageant. Well, I feel very pressured, especially seeing them, but I know that I wouldn't be here if I couldn't do it.
Yeah, you are pressured seeing them but not seeing me. No, it's a joke. I just want to give it a light one, isn't it? I mean, who is that girl that you would like to hold hand in hand as the final two, the last woman standing? What about you, Taguig?
As of this moment, ang dami. Ang hirap
Give me
magbigay ng
one,
isa.
Taguig. Give me one. If you are the one, and who's the other one?
If I would be the one, I'd love to hold hands with... abangan ninyo. Di ko sasagutin.
Very safe, Taguig. Very
I'd love
safe.
to hold hands with myself. Wow!
Ikaw lang talaga.
Ako lang talaga for the 2025, talagang pupuksain natin and lalaban tayo for the Miss Universe Philippines crown.
Okay. Aside from puksaan, what another tagline or hashtag would you like to give for this Miss Universe Philippines 2025?
For me, I think the edition of Miss Universe Philippines this 2025 is pure of genuine and authenticity.
Ano ang pinaka-inaabangan mo na segment here at the Miss Universe Philippines?
Oh, of course, ang inaabangan ko is especially yung swimsuit because it is my favorite part of the pageant. Kasi dun ko makikita lahat, especially them, so pretty po, and super na starstruck po talaga ako. So, inaabangan ko po yung swimsuit segment. So, it's favorite ko po talaga.
Rampahan kasi yan eh, di ba? Yung work out na body. Okay, Taguig, can you please invite everyone to watch our journey here? Our journey here at Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Yes, first of all, thank you so much for being here and supporting us all girls dito sa aming journey. And sa lahat ng mga nanonood, gusto po namin kayong imbitahan para mapanood kami this coming presentation later at 3 p.m. So tune in lang po tayo sa Empire PH to watch us and of course, reveal ang mga Miss Universe Philippines 2025 candidates.